What up, everybody? It's your boy JRE. Today we are going to be watching my workout inspiration for the next year. Nah, Wonho's been very impressive in his solo career. He just released "Eye on You." His fashion, I don't know who styles him, but his fashion has been I mean for him, for his body. So I kind of look into that. Like sometimes, can I come for something? Sometimes I imagine like I have Wonho's body, but then I look in the mirror and I'm like, oh shit. We gotta manifest these things, or actually just go work out, right? But yeah, without further ado, let's get it, let's go, let's begin. Play my intro. If you guys don't know, join the Discord, link in the description down below, and join the Twitch. I stream almost every day. So what you doing? Come through. We talk about K-pop, anime, games. Let's go.
It's my debut.
And I just like it because we get to interact more instead of me looking through the camera and just waiting for people to comment. It's just y'all right there. But anyways, enough about that. Wonho, Eye on You. Let's get it. Let's go. Let's begin. Got captions on. It's 4K. We love it. Man.
NANI?!
Seriously, what the f?
Breathtakingly rising tension, babe. And everybody looking at him like, that's me. That's me. I'm literally this person right here. Moving on. You know what's so impressive? How
Thousands of tears later.
Damn, boy. Damn, boy, he's thick.
Holy shit, I didn't say one thing for the last. After he said, I got my eyes on you, I was gonna say something. I forgot what I was gonna say, but let's just watch. The man is, you gotta appreciate what's, what? Ooh. Bro, this man looking like, ooh, what? Bitch! My dad is calling me. I'm gonna answer this. I don't know, it feels weird. Not me thirsting on Wonho and then my dad calls. Hello? Yeah?
Hey Dre, let me talk to your dad. Hey, I know you heard me.
Thank you so much. I can't wait to see receive the package.
And I'll deliver it to you.
Let's continue. Wait, we gotta see what happened in the back. I was gonna say he looked badass as hell, like he's going to war, or, well, I don't know anyone that would wear these type of belt for war, but, oh, it's a different type of belt. Ooh. Did you say like he's like a wolf? A lone wolf? Or a pack wolf? I'm sorry, I have not really talked this whole time. It's more of like an eye expression, I feel, but that's what happens, bro. I try to give you guys my real honesty, and my honesty is just like, I just gotta watch. Engrave my deep, engrave my deep what? Over my body? Engrave me deep over your body. Okay, wow, bruh. The dancers? Outfits are fire too, actually. Oh, not him in the wet area, half naked. I like this outfit right here too. Ooh, that shot right there is fire. Ooh, whoever directs this is fire too. Just like the whole picture framing. It is so impressive how he dances with that big build. I mean, it's not like, it's already been proven. He's the proof. You can get buff and still can dance. I mean, there's other people that are buff and get to dance too. So what I got from this is that it wasn't an FBI agent watching you through your webcam, it's Wonho. Supposedly got your eye on you. I don't know who got an eye on, but probably me. And I do apologize, Wonho, for the things we've seen. Nah, yo, Wonho's come back. It's like, I know what to expect, obviously, because I don't know, just as a fan, you try to predict what to expect, but something always surprises you. Whew, that was a lot. Check the links in the description down below, bro. I'm done. Hey, yo, go check out the music video if you want. Go check out the music video in the link in the description as well. Enjoy yourself. Treat yourself today with some Wonho. Alright, y'all. Till next time, everybody. Peace.
Hey, you better subscribe.
If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on Jrekml. I'm there every day.
I'm sipping on soju. Hey, do I know you? He got an ex, so that joint is old school. I'm in it like swimwear.